My name is Onakoma Martins, the founder and president of Quebec Food Processing Industrial Parks Limited. It's a privilege to join everyone in this 5th edition of the Nigerian Diaspora Summit. Quebec Food is a private company limited by shares. Quebec Food is an agro-food, fruit and vegetable production, processing and packaging company. In this edition of the summit, our expectation is to meet with investors to enable us to raise the sum of 4.5 billion naira to drive our Quebec Heritage City and Farm Estate project that is strategically located in some selected zones in Nigeria. The funds will be injected into cultivation of 5,000 hectares of cassava farm, setting up a world-class cassava processing plant, setting up a cassava bread factory, acquisition of a power plant to drive our production. What are we offering investors? The demand for high-quality cassava flour and starch, flour specifically a replacement of wheat, which is a major challenge now in Nigeria, makes the business more viable for investors to come in. From our projection, our business structure and analysis so far, we'll be able to generate a net profit of 4.5 billion first year production. That makes us to now look at these levels of investors we are looking at. For lenders who are willing to lend to us this fund at an interest rate of 9% on a facility structured senior debt fund, we are offering them 9% with 1 year moratorium, 7 years repayment plan. We have other levels of investors we're also looking at who might likely want to join us what we do. We call them equity partners or equity investors. These investors, we are willing to offer them 25% to 40% on our processing plant shares. We have other level of investors we are looking at, those who are looking for passive income, who are willing to invest in our cassava, in our farm estates, projects, ventures, processing plant ventures, agro tractors and haulage ventures. We offer cash value return of between 10.6% to 40.5%. And duration of this investment is between 56 weeks to 60 months. On security and risk mitigation plan, our Quebec Farm Estates Ventures, processing plant ventures will be insured by a reputable insurance company, Leadway Assurance Company. While investors' funds are secured, we issue them legal deed of investment substitution agreements with land assets security for certain investment thresholds. You can visit our website www.quebecfoods.quebecgroups to know more on our packages, on our products, on our projects, to see how you can partner with us. Thank you for joining this 5th edition.